Welcome to today's inspired healing meditation, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your most favorite relaxing music, have your journal close by, and drop into a moment of peace and calm with me, Helene Rose. Welcome to your inspired healing meditation. In today's meditation, you step forward into a new beginning. You visualize this beautiful love energy moving through you, connecting with creative energy, with sun, God energy, with earth energy, and creating a space of allowance for this beautiful new beginning in your life. Enjoy today's meditation. When you feel ready, close your eyes, turn your outer gaze inward. Begin to notice your breath. Offer a word of thanks to yourself for taking some time for you right now to nurture your inner light, to grow strong in your self-awareness, your beautiful, innate, divine power. We set the intention of growing in love. We take a deep breath into our intention. We feel ourselves settle so deeply into this healing moment. We feel this connection down to the earth. We breathe with our beautiful earth, inhaling, receiving creative energy, connecting to the energy of creation through our earth. And as we exhale, we sink deeply and rest in this moment. We are so grateful to tune out the outside world and tune inward. This is a gift we give ourselves, we give to our friends and family, we give this gift to our planet. By taking care of ourselves, we take care of everyone. We trust that this healing meditation is inspired for your highest good today. We visualize this beautiful, nurturing earth energy flowing our way with ease from the heart of Mother Earth, through our feet, through our legs, through our hips, our back, through all of us. And we fill with beautiful green love energy of Mother Earth. And as we breathe so deeply, we invite this creative energy in, and we allow anything in the way of us stepping into new beginnings, anything in the way of us stepping into our creative power, anything in the way of us knowing our divinity, to be released as we inhale and exhale. And just by setting the intention, just by asking and allowing, we release what we no longer need. You can visualize filling with this beautiful green creative energy of earth and releasing what is no longer needed back to the earth to be recycled, reused. We can visualize this beautiful source energy, this sun, God energy, flowing down, warming us. We breathe in this sun, God energy through our crown, into our hearts. And this golden light also moves whatever is no longer needed. we fill with our creative, divine power. And as we continue to breathe, we can visualize this new beginning, this new growth. We can see the tulips and lilacs blossoming around us. We can see the sprouts arriving. And as the sprouts arrive and begin their journey toward blossoming, we arrive. We begin our journey of blossoming into greater knowing, greater awareness, greater authenticity, greater innate power. Do you choose this power? Do you choose this daily connection? Do you choose this recharge, refresh, renew? Each moment, a new beginning. Each breath, a new beginning. Each day, a new beginning. Each month, a new beginning. Bring your awareness into your heart and allow affirmations to bubble up, to arise from the wisdom of your heart. What affirmation do you need today? Allow this affirmation to arise from the wisdom within you. Breathe earth energy, sun energy into this affirmation to empower these words of wisdom that you have acknowledged and created. We say thank you to Mother, Father, God. Thank you to this great spirit. Thank you to beautiful earth and sky. Thank you for this physical experience of our divinity. We stay grateful for all of the experiences that come our way. We remember that we are on a healing journey. And this journey is filled with so many opportunities for learning and growing. And for all of it, we say thank you. We continue our path. Feel your feet firmly planted on the ground. Visualize your arms raising up to the sun, perhaps even bringing your hands up to the sky in gratitude. We say thank you. Take a deep breath into your heart. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Please write your affirmation in the comments so we can all bask in the beauty of your wisdom. Move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to allow yourself to free write, stream of consciousness writing. Just really nurturing that beautiful relationship with yourself, continuing to solidify your knowing, your wisdom, your journey. And when we write, we continue this movement of energy through us. We become stronger in ourselves. Enjoy this practice, and I will see you next time. Much love.